I will show you on how to create laundry database system. Okay? Now let's start. First, we'll open a new database. Then we will click this blank database. Then I will put our database on the desktop. Then I will rename to laundry database system. Then click create. Then I will start with table. Go to create, then table design. I will type item ID, then data type is auto, then this is our primary key. The next is item name, then short text, then we will adjust field size to at least 150, then caption I will say first TBL items. Before I modify I will put the caption, I will show you first. If I double click this TBL items, as you can see, item name is without space. So that is why I will copy this one. Here caption, if we will put a space here, if we will open, instead of this one, this caption will show. Look. And that's the purpose of this caption. And also in the form, whatever the caption, it will show also in the caption of the label, this caption. Okay? The next is charge type. I will put charge type because in laundry station sometimes we are charging by unit or by piece or by kilo. That is why I put this charge type so that we have an option. Okay, I will go to lookup wizard. Then here I will type in the values that I want. So we'll put here per item, because the charges are different with per item or per kilo or per weight, this one. Okay, so I will just modify to 50. Then here again I will change the caption to charge type. Save. As you can see here, look, we have an option. Then charge type, we will put a default value to per item. This is our default value. Look, this is our default item. Next, charge per unit, then number. here field size will select double, and format we select fixed. Then again I will copy so that we will modify our caption. Then I'll just copy this one so that whatever the format, it's the same also. We'll copy, then paste. Then here I will modify charge per kg. Then here charge per kg also. Here. So again, this is our field size, and here format is fixed. Okay. Now, since we have our charge type, there is a charge per unit and charge per kg. So each of these have the default amount. So we need to put here our default charge here. So meaning whatever the charge type that we select, it will come here our default charge. Let's say if our charge type is per unit, then the charges amount will come here. And if you choose also charge type per weight, so this particular charge amount per kg will show here. So we will use the calculated field based on this charge type. Calculated, we'll make it wider. Then we'll use F statement or function rather. If charge type equal per item, then if the charge type is per item, so we will, or the system will choose the field charge per unit. Then if charge type is equal to per weight, then the system will choose to our field charge per kg. Then again, if this charge, if we select charge type per item, so our default charge will be this charge per unit. Then if we'll choose the charge type of per weight, so our default charge is charge per kg. Otherwise, if nothing, so we'll make it 0 here. 0, then we will close, then another close parenthesis in order to close our f function block. Then I will hit OK. Then I will modify the here caption to default charts. Then the result type also we will modify to double, and format we will choose also fixed, so that the same format with our corresponding charge per unit or charge per kg. Okay, so now we have complete field for this table items. We'll create a form. Just select this one. Then here, just instead of form, we will select this one, so that automatically it will generate the form with the corresponding field. I will give you an example on how this calculated field works. Okay, I will save this one. Item details. Then here pop up to yes, and here I will choose dialog, then record selector no, navigation no, look, then I will put here. As you can see, if we open, it's showing item details, so we can modify also the caption for this form to item space details. Look, the same concept with the form. Then instead of this one, dividing lines, as you can see, it's no. If we will choose to yes, look, there is a line because we put the dividing lines, meaning it divides with the from header with line and form footer in between with the form details. Look, this one. Okay, now we'll try. Okay, I will so that we can put here. Look, item name, let's see, female, shirt. Here, look, it's showing the default is per item. Then our default charge still 0 because we did not put yet our charge per unit or charge per kg. So if I put here, let's say per unit 10, look what happened with the default charge. Automatically it become 10. Even I put here 25 if per kg, still our default charge 10. If I change this charge type to per weight, so our default charge will be changed also instead of 10 it will change to 25. Look. So this is our settings for our items based on the charge type. Okay, now we have our form to input our item entries. Again, we'll add another female pants. Then here say 10, then per kg say 30. So the default is this one per unit, then charges 10. As you can see here also per weight, and here per item. Okay, now we have two items. Then next we will create a table for our customer that we need our services for cleaning. First we'll go to create, then table design, then we'll type customer ID with auto, then here contact number, we'll change to at least 50, then caption, contact number, then next is first name, I will put 100, then caption here, then also Next, we will create another table. Then here we'll put here request status. I will modify the caption here. Then 50 and notes. This is long. I will save TBL status. No. The status will put is either paid, unpaid, or deposit. So this is the TBL status. So we have table customers, TBL items, and TBL status. The next is we will create a table request, or let's say transaction, for our laundry database system. This is the very important, this TBL request. So instead by creating table here, we will choose another option. Again, I will make you an example here. Let's say request number, photo, then say customer contacts. I will show you some how it works. I will make it auto number, then let's say TBL request. Since this auto number, so the default, if we type here, let's say we have a transaction. If I type contacts 053, automatically the request number, it's showing 1. So now, instead of this default one, we need to change the number, request number process. Instead of 1, so we will put like 1100001. So we will start our request number instead of 1 only, so we'll start with 10001, then 1002, 10003, and so on. So we will try another process of creating table using the SQL. So this is request. Again, this is our previous example. I will make it here old so that it will not override. So first we will go to create, then query design. We'll close here, then we'll delete that one. We will create a table using query. First, I will type create table, then table name is TBL request, then down, then open parenthesis, then I will also enter. Then I will type here the primary key. So our primary key is request number. So since this is auto number, I will put space. I will put counter. So this is auto number. Then the format. So the format is 1. Then I will put 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll start with 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then incremented by 1. Then close parenthesis. Then comma. Then another line. I will put constraint. Underscore. Then again TBL request our table name. Then primary key. Then request number. Then close parenthesis. Then close parenthesis again to close. Then so this is our query to create the TBL request. This is our ID. It starts with 10001. Request number rather. Now I will click this run in order to generate, to create our table request. I will hit run. Look, automatically it's generate our table. I will save this one. I will save to Look, this is the one we created using this query. Here, TBL request. I will show you first how that works. I will copy and paste. So this is the trial. I will show you the ID which we created. Here, request. I will put here customer name. Look, if I type here look, it's showing 10001. Then if I type again Covera 1002, then Orbita 1003. So that's the function of this query. Okay, now we'll go to our original file, TBL request. Then next we'll add customer contacts, short text contacts. So I will put only at least 50. Then here date deposited. So if we deposit their shirts or etc., date deposited. Then data type is date and time. Then format is long date. Then default value, so whatever the current date. Then I will copy the caption here, date deposited. The next, time deposited, date and time. Then the format is, we choose this one, medium time. Again, I will add a caption. Then here, so this is the date wherein they deposit their either shirts or pants. Then here we'll put also, I will just copy so that one time the same format. Here, date expected, so when possible will finish their services. Date expected, then time expected. So since this is the time expected, I will modify also here the caption. Then we will remove this default value because we just copied from deposited here. Then also our time expected, we will change also the caption. Again, I go back to time deposited. I forgot to put the default value, which is the current time. So this is the default value for deposited. Instead by typing, so automatically it will generate whatever the current entries based on the current date and time also. Okay, then here we'll put the shirts. So shirts, unit charts. So this is the unit charts. So number. Then the format is double. Then field size rather. Then the format is fixed. So the default, we'll put default value. Say shirt is charged 5. So this is the default for our shirt units charts. Then here we'll put quantity shirts. So whatever the quantity of the shirts they deposited, here just number, then integer. I will change also the caption. Then I will copy this one, shirt, that will copy here, copy and paste. Then instead of shirt, I will change to pants, and here also I will change to pants. I forgot to modify the caption. Here also we'll put caption. Here caption also. Okay, we can entertain not only pants and shirt, but we can select also the specific items. Okay, so I will type here item 1, then we will look up as per our TBL items. So this is again this shirt unit charge and quantity unit charge. This is our default items. Here we will go to lookup wizard, then next, then TBL items, then next. We will double click this item ID, item name, then default charge. Then click next, next. So automatically our item ID will be hidden. Then next, then finish, then save now, yes. So we'll check here, look. So this is our items. Here columns 0 because this item ID it's hidden, and this one the item name and the price also. We close. Then next is quantity item 1 here, then number, then here also we'll select the integer. Okay, then here unit charge item 1, then number, data type is field size is double, then format is fixed. I will drag it up because I wanted to put after this item unit charge for this item and quantity for this item. So we'll copy in order to have the same format. I will copy, then Control V to paste item, then okay. Now we have item 1, then I will change to item 2, here 3, 3, and we'll add another, copy, paste here 4, you have already filled item number 1, so this one is 3. We'll click save. You have unit charge 1. Okay, here we need to modify also here 3 and here 3. Oh, 2, 1, 2, 3. I will delete this one because we have already 4 items. So here unit 1, 2, 3, and here 4, 4, 4. Here we'll put also the request status. Here, then this one, this is from TBL status. We will look up TBL status, next, double click, then next, 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 and finish, then save. Then we'll put also the tax rate. Here, tax rate number. Then we will change also the field size to double. Then format is %. Then I will modify the caption also. Then our default value, let's say 12%. So 0.12. So this is our default. Then date pickup, I will modify it. Date and time, again long date, then caption also date pickup, then time pickup, date and time, then format is medium time, caption, time pickup, then we'll put some remarks, then we'll make it long, save. So now we have customer, table items, table request. Look, this is the default. Then the table status. So now we will create a form for our data entry. Okay.